Hey, this is Trent. Welcome to my Parker Boat Rebuilding Nightmare, episode number 6. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So I've been grinding for hours today. I'm so tired of sanding and grinding. I can't even explain it. I need to quit repeating myself, but I'm gonna keep saying it. So I'm gonna take a little break from grinding and fill this lifting strake in here. Kind of hard to see in the camera. That's the lifting strake on the boat. We'll wet it up with resin and then make a chopped fiber, milled fiber, a little bit of aerosol mix to fill that out to make it nice and straight, so when we glass in we don't have one more ridge to deal with. Scribing the line. Supposed to be 93 degrees again today. It's been absolutely brutal. One thing we learned over the last week of this heat is you gotta keep changing shirts. We got sweating, and we got some sweat in the glass on the one side, which made some areas not absorb the resin very well. It was on our last layer, which technically was one layer more than was on the original. So she's still going to be a lot stronger than the original, but get your glass wet, you're screwed. Another thing, we tried to do 2 sides of the stringer yesterday. We got it done, but man, it was more than I care to bite off in a day. From now on, we'll just do one side and work on bulkheads and other stuff like that the rest of the day. Always plenty of work to do, no need rushing up one side and down the other. If it was cool out, I'd do a couple stringers in a day, but this heat, it's unbearable. So I'm ripping the last of my stringers down, throwing the trash. I ain't got much left, but here's another impressive piece. We got 2 boards seamed together here, not glassed, just halfway. Come over 15 inches, same thing. Seamed together, not glassed. Boy, that's how you build a strong boat right there. That way it can flex like a caterpillar. You know, maybe using wood is the right thing to do. I mean, if they wouldn't have put wood in this boat, where would these ants lived? We gotta be looking out for the ants, man. They need a home too. Come on, man. So we just got done glassing down the second half of the second stringer. We're getting ready to bed the third one down. What I did is I peeled the wood off. We want to wet it up with resin and put a putty mix in there, because I didn't have a whole lot of room to tab in on this side. That way we get a good tab in there, have some of the existing sandwiched in, tab both sides of that, make do with what you got. We ain't got much, but we're making do with it. So I put these boards in just to get perfect spacing on this last one. Pulled some string tight, put down just so I've got something to follow with my putty, so we get a nice straight layer of putty on it. We're gonna have it figured out right as we finish the job on what works, what doesn't work. I guess now the secret is yours. Take it and run with it. I don't want it anymore. So we got this end soaked up where it bonds up into that stringer. We got the perimeter all soaked up. Getting ready to put the mud down on the floor. See if Mr. Pooh shows back up. We'll see. Back! So I'll let you in on a little Dr. Pooh secret. Put the bag over it before you dump it. Look at that.
Looks like a colostomy bag.
Yes. Dr. Pooh doing what Dr. Pooh does. Decided not to use the chop fiber after we did that on one stringer, and just didn't lay down as nice. We got rid of our red hardener. We went with a Pooh color. What else would Dr. Pooh do?
Here's your scissors.
Dr. Pooh don't use scissors.
You gonna bite it off? Oh my goodness. Okay.
This bag is the bomb. Oh yeah. Yeah, stop there because we got that hole. Ah! Our bag come undone. Look at that pile of poo. That's nasty. That's nasty. Y'all nasty. Ah. Enough. It's gonna be close. Oh yeah. What a mess. This normally works really good if you don't let your bag fall open. Look at that. Come on, Dr. Pooh, you got it. It's coming. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. And I got the mud up in here. Check that out.
Yes, sir.
Let's get our board and do it to it. Most people think I'm a doctor, but I prefer to go by physician. I'm no physician lately though. Bank account crying for help.
You need to do some physician.
Yeah. Here's my big C-clamp giant one. Here we go. Oh yeah, cooling right out. String up. Get a hammer. Here we go.
Hammer? Yeah, right here. Here's a hammer. That glass is
I
still
melt under pressure. This glass is hot. Let me try this.
Oh, you're gonna dig into that glass. There you go.
I'll get a screw gun and we'll pull it in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got it. Squirting out all the way down. Now just gotta round our edge off. Make sure it's up under the board real good. And that will be our last stringer. Gotta do some bulkheads like we got on the other side, but that's it.